What's up, guys? Today we're gonna pick up where we left off on the SC400. Last time we pulled the bumper and fender for some repair. We're gonna go ahead and pick that up today. I'm gonna get this fender, that dent, we're gonna pop that out, super satisfying. And then we're gonna take this bumper apart and get it ready. Got a lot of stuff to do. Let's get started.
What's up, guys? Look at this fender, so much better. That was 30 years of dirt and grime, and now we can actually get to the repair. That's what we're gonna do today. We cleaned up this fender. I just really want to smack this thing with a hammer and start working that dent out. So that's what we're gonna do next. Probably gonna be a lot of time-lapse footage, but you know what? That's what happens when you're building a car. It takes time. I'm restoring that thing right there. All right, SC400 build. Let's go. All right, boys, here we've got it. I mean, it doesn't look perfect, but it looks a lot better than a caved-in fender. To hammer it on this side, just to smooth it out a little bit more. We can see the high spots and the low spots. Those spots where all the primer is, still high spots around it, but we're just about there. We're gonna hit that thing with some body filler. But we also got this. It is a mirror for the SC400 passenger side. So I ordered this off from a seller on eBay because that's where we're shopping for my parts too. Of course, we're gonna have to paint it. And no, it's good. Okay, I thought that corner piece was broken. No, it's good. Hey, no, this is good. It's a mess. Well, you know, we're like specialized in cleaning stuff up. This is good. The one on the SC just donkey dick flops around. All right. Bam. Cool. Add that to the pile of stuff to clean up. We'll make a video about that, I'm sure. What's up, boys? We're back at it. Bam. That's on the list for today. We've got our fender. Man, I'm actually pretty happy with how it's gone. It's a lot better than that depression that was there. We're still having, of course, not done yet. Looks like I can see a high spot through the camera lens. Right there, maybe? I don't know, maybe I'm just crazy, which that definitely might be a thing. All right, we're gonna get some body filler on that too, but that will come later down the line. We've got to work on this. I hope your guys' day is going great. How's your project coming? What project are you working on? Do you got an SC doing the 300ZX or some other crazy car? What are you working on? What we're going to do on this guy is get it ready for paint. What's good about having to do this, forcing us to take off the bumper, strip it all down, and get it ready for prepping, paint, all that stuff, is we're gonna go through and take care of stuff that I might not have done. Wouldn't have to do all this work. We're gonna take out the emblem. We're probably gonna seal these holes up because who f***ing wants these holes anyways? So I think we'll delete that and shave those, clean that up a little bit. We're gonna pull this grill out. We'll probably freshen that up as well. And pull these lights out. My God, they're rough. Lenses all spidered and cracked. We can try and refinish them. I don't know. I mean, it'll look better. We might go with a delete that I found that just makes like a ducting here, kind of cool looking. The lights are cool, and you know I'm an OEM guy, but like, God, you just can't find this stuff anymore. So we might pull those out. If they were in good condition and we could just refinish them, I would definitely do that, but they're in questionable condition, and I just don't know if it's gonna be worth it. We might just delete them and put a cool ducting in there. And then the same with these lights. I found also who makes the ducting. Makes like some cool aftermarket clear lens side markers that we're probably going to go to on that and delete these for just an overall cleaner look. And of course, we're going to have nice clean paint on it. I'll probably keep the Lexus emblem. I don't think I'm going to shave that, but I'm going to make this look a lot better. It's a project I wanted to do just to see if I could do it anyways. On another thing of us taking it off is we get to, I say get to because I actually like just getting everything clean and putting it on. It's like a refurbished part. We're going to clean all this filth off of the bumper and get it all nice. Get it a little reset. So if I have to work on anything, it's clean. I just like clean stuff. So we're going to clean the slate on the back of this bumper, clean the whole thing, sand it down, prep it, well, primer, get it to go. I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to pull these lights out, emblem off, and get ready to do some work on here. Let's go, boys. All right, for all the people that are new to the channel and don't watch every single video, especially the older videos, here is how I lay out all of our bolts. Let's go to all the splash shield. Just a muffin tray. I mean, I think you can just get these at the dollar store. And these are all the bolts off of our bumper and fender that I took off, all of our plastic little connectors there. Boom. Fender washers long, fender washers short. And also you can write little notes and put in here. This goes to the underneath the fender. Put little notes, headlight bolt in there to see which ones they are if you need to do that. They're all pretty different, so if you can kind of remember, if you're going to be right back to it, should remember. Not, there's different ways to do it. This is just a nice way I like to organize all my bolts. Then guess what? Oh, when you remove it, boom. You can even like store it in the toolbox if it's going to be a minute. Just keep everything from just being in a pile of parts. All right, boys, let's get this out. Our side marker light. Like I said, hopefully we're going to be replacing. I think it's going to look a lot cleaner with the red, the fresh red, and the white clear lens. And these aren't in terrible condition, but the yellow's played out, man. We'll put our hardware back on here. It's out as well. Look, this one's all rusted. I'm gonna use new hardware on anything that we put back in here. Yep, and that's what I was worried about. It broke. So that means the mount broke off of that light. It's another thing, these old cars, it's nice to get a refresh on some of this stuff. And having to pull it apart is a great time to do it. Refresh as much as possible. God. Yeah. Good luck on this one. Let's see what trick I can come up with to get this off of here. Well, the light's out. The bolt's broken. We'll come back to that. So we're gonna see these bottom bolts are all rusted on this thing. Good luck on this one too. Let's grab this turn signal off. Wish me luck, boys. I'm going in. This bolt's about rusted off, dude. That one came off. What about that? So we got one rusty. And while we're taking this apart, we're going to identify any rusty, wore out hardware and replace that. I'm not putting it back yet. That one, that's not going back. Probably none of those. Hopefully I can find replacements for all of it. Take this out. Pop our grill out here. Ice out our grill. Voice that. Boom. Alright, so we've got our rusty bolt right here, and These are a rusty bolt's best friends. We're gonna go ahead and clamp this onto this side, and then we'll hit the nut with the impact gun and see what happens. Give it the old clamp on. All right, girl, you gotta come out. All right, let's wish me luck. That's just spinning. We got a clamp hard. This thing is not. Wow. Clamp the shit out of this one. Oh, there we go. You ain't spinning that. There you go. Had to man up on it. Man up on it, Jesse. Alright, there you go. We clamped her up. Oh my god, look out. Oh. Flatten it, bro. Flatten it. Well, that's pretty much unusable. I don't think we're gonna save that. I don't think you're gonna want to use that. Well, maybe we'll send it with it. So anything I'm not gonna use, we're going to sell, obviously, because it's worth something to somebody. We're gonna get all of our parts and put them in this box I have right here, just for parts. And I went ahead and put all the hardware back on our items. And we've got our yellow turn signals. And then, of course, our grill. Everything will need to be cleaned up. That way it's all stored. There's all of our bumper takeoff. Pull this white foam, and we also have to pull that emblem.
I live inside my own world of make-believe.
What up?
Screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach.
Thank you so much to the members and patrons that support this channel. You want to be one of the cool kids? Get on that list. Got links in the description below. Head over to Instagram. Follow me at Build Theory for more daily content on little videos. You can see some stuff that might not make it onto YouTube. Here's some footage of the bumper getting cleaned. Super satisfying. Also, we sold that BMW Z3 hood. Here's some footage of it getting loaded onto the freight truck. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, notification bell. I'll see you over there. Peace.
That's just me though. Oh man, hopefully that didn't break.